Hello guys, this is third episode of CHO changeover cards of Samim Group. Let's take a look at it. Enjoy it. Here on changeover mode, we can choose manually or GPIO, which determines how changeover is done. Now it is manual, so here you can make changes manually. For example, I can connect input 1 to SDI outputs 1 to 4. And you can change monitor 1 and monitor 2 from this section from here, and changeover will happen. The V fade duration option is for when we want to change the image and we want the sound to fade in and fade out in two separate images. This option can be changed in milliseconds. For example, when we change the input changeover, it will take 200 milliseconds for the sound to reach in maximum level from 0. And it could happen the reverse. In the output, we will have a 1080i output according to the synchronizer. And this is directly related to our chosen format system. If the system is in 1080i format, whatever format our output is, we will always have a black 1080 image in the output. In the timing adjustment part, we can compensate the video shift if the line or pixels in the input image have a shift. We can set these options to the desired number that compensate the shift. And after applying, see that the line and pixel of the input image are changed. I hope it would be helpful for you, the CHO tutorial. For more information, please check out our website at www.samimgroup.com. Thanks for watching.